18-pound rocket flying on an L1043, which is Jay's blue propellant. It's 2587 Newton seconds, burning for 2.36 seconds. Got perfect flights and RRCs on board and a Jolly Logic. I'm so confused. All right, good luck, Elvin. All right, Elvin on page 86. Page 86. Pad 86. Good luck to you. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. There it goes. Looking good so far. Nice motor. Jay Holcomb is from Midland, Texas, flying a rocket called the Blue Pill. I think this rocket's flown here before. It's going to be a blue propellant, an N3225. 13,000 Newton second blue motor, burning for about 4 seconds. Got a couple of perfect flights on board. Good luck, Jay. Pad number 88, the little blue pill. On an N as in Nancy. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Well, let's go. There we go. That part looks good. Nice job, Jay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Maybe. Yep. Exciting boost. Now watch the aerial show.
I need my camera for this.
I know. Show me how you did that.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy.
5 minutes.
Oh. Yeah.
Dave's going to be turning on the final here. I wonder if Emily 163 has a rudder.
We'll get out of the parachute out. Yeah. Yeah. Take out the
Coming in. And lands on in front of him. Nice job, Dave. On pad 74. Good luck, Mike and Gail. Here we go. M1550 ready. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shoot.
Nice line. Thank you.
Okay. Beautiful. Rocket weighing 26 pounds in the Aerotech L2200 green. He's got electronical doodads on there and the batteries are running low. Pad 56, good luck, Chris. Big pink in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. Pad 52, Steve McHugh from Electra, Texas is flying a rocket called Fireflyer. It's a rocket warehouse kit on an Aerotech J500 green, Mojave green. Another Mojave green. He's got a Marco Polo tracker on there. Good luck, Steve, on pad 52. These guys in range are clear. Here we go, Steve. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. Beautiful. 54, we have Shane Harris from Boise, Idaho, flying a Fusion rocket on a John Clifton K300. Alright, so Clifton K300 Motorworks, might be a slow burner. He's got a Stratologger on board, expecting 12,000 feet. Good luck, Shane and John. Pad number 54, should be exciting. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. Smoking. Nice job. Alright guys, so center of the range, maybe a little bit south of the circus tent. You get a rocket coming down, no main chute yet, 100 feet above ground. Good luck, Kyle, this should be great. Pad number 58, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, see ya. $5,600 White Thunder. He's got altimeters on board, deploying the main at 1,000 feet above ground level. Dan, you all ready? Just a second. All right, Dan is ready. Thunder thrust Iggy. Cestroni N 5600. Pad number 73. Skies and range are clear. We're going to launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. That is a sweet motor. One in a past life. Sharon's rocket is flying on an N as in Nancy, 2114. It's a Don Alexander white propellant. It's got 2 altimeters on board, deploying a main at 1,100 feet. Good luck, Sharon. This should be awesome. So the Grand Optimist, pad 82, N 2114, white motor. Just making sure you're getting clear, Sharon.
Well, I mean, I haven't tried pulling it out, but.
All right, here we go with Sharon pad 82. We're going to launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Yo, boom. Big boom. Bing, bada, boom. Fire out at pad 82. Oh. Grains are burning on the pad.
Yep, she's not going in.
All right, we'll stand down at the away cell.
We up there? Let's put it up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Good luck, Chuck. There we go. We got one. All right. Nice job. Folks, this ought to be fun. Out on pad 84, we have Braden Carlson from Boise, Idaho. He's going to fly a rocket called, we think, Schnooky Putsy. 65-pound rocket. And the motor is made by the inestimable John Clifton. It is an N as in no, 1100. The total impulse is a bunch. The burn time is a few. The propellant name is Black Diamond. We got that part. It's not a Sparky motor. This should be spectacular one way or another. So let's put Schnooky Putsy up in the sky if we can in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, watch. Yeah. That's gorgeous. Schnooky Putsy. Nice job, guys. Well done. Go, baby, go.
Onboard video, everybody smile, everybody got everything. It's got everything in there. And it's going to have the deploy the main at 1100. Okay, Wayne, good luck on your red line out there in the 83s. Luck way out there in the horizon. The 83s are going in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. All right, power up, power up, power up. Yeah, look at that red flag. It's still going. That was beauteous. That was.
Oh, I got you guys. Get this on right now. Yeah.
Yeah, hope don't work right.
One, light, gas up, gas. Or no.
We're going in.
Oh. Lowest and nearest the pad. I'm sorry, that was an L3 attempt. Hopefully it is salvageable. I think it's okay, but give it a second to make sure nothing happens out there. Troy, so sorry.
Hey, could
And it's a 46-pound rocket. And this is off of pad 68 now. Pad 68. This is a level 3 certification flight. Level 3 cert. I think Bob Brown is out there with them. Okay, out on pad 68, Bill. Level 3. Good luck, Bill. Bill, we're going to go in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Light. Come on, level 3. There we go. Powering up. There we go. Well, you got the up part pretty dang good. Nice. Still going. Keep spotting. We're going over to 43. This is experimental motor. It's the Wildman Punisher. It's Craig Clausen from Mountain Ridge, Kansas, flying the K-740 on the Violet propellant. Violet's going to go this time. It's going to be beautiful Violet on pad 43. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Burn, baby, burn. Oh, there it is. I saw the purple. That was beautiful. It is Tim Nevenkos. I'm sorry if I butchered it. I'm sorry, Tim. It's from Leeward, Kansas. Wildman on a J295, pad 45. All right, Tim. Let's get you up there in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Light. Got smoke. We got a rocket.
99 in, well, J1799, staging to the second stage to a I-1299, staging the third stage to an I-600, staging to the fourth, which is an I-284, and the sustainer fifth stage is I-364. They're all Aerotech motors. I'm going to skip all the chutes, but there's a ton of parachutes involved. There's a ton of trackers and altimeters, etc., etc. But let's just say this should be spectacular, and we're hoping to get to 12,000 feet. So, Fred, you ready to fly? He is. Let's do this. Buster. Time out. We've got to figure out how to launch this one. Hang on. Give me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good luck. There's Miko. There's Tico. There's Tico. And there's Gaucho, Harpo, and Chico. Fantastic. Look at that. That is how you do it. Incredible. Blue.
Out of pad 77, Jay Holcomb. We're going to pump you up here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Burn blue! Smoke! I want that blue flame! Computer, end motor, and it's out there on pad 78. We're ready to rock and roll on 78 in 5, 4, 3. Elvin Carey on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good luck, Elvin. Come on, Smoke. Come on, Elvin. Power up, pressure up. Yeah! That was pretty cute to me. Very nicely done. 2, 1, light. Yep, we got smoke, we got power. In motion is in motion. It's climbing all the way up to 211. On pad 78, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see that black tail. Come on. Yeah, smoke. Yeah, black tail. Look at that. Go. Well done, Adrian Butler. Cool missile, cool motor, cool propellant.
Billions and billions.
Bill Rocket, 40 pounds on an Animal Motorworks. N is a November 4000 Blue Baboon motor. Altimeter with main coming out at 1,000 feet. He's got a radio tracker. He's calling a heads-up flight. Again, he doesn't know about this, so if you can physically get out of your chair, look, because you may have to dodge out of the way. It's high altitude flight. He is expecting 36,000 feet and Mach 3. The Mach 3 is probably the heads up. It may shred. So let's go with Eric's in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pad 83. There it goes.
Or not. There we go. Okay. That's pretty, but that's not what we wanted. That is pretty. All you photographers need to take that shot. Boy, all right, we're going to stand down while we think about fire suppression. So, fire suppression crew, your showtime for you. Memorial flight. Gary Dickinson's flying in memory of Joe Grubb. I've got one more person I've got to get out of the waterway, and then we're good to fly. 67, going up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
And SpaceX would do it for about...
Smoke, fire, Okay, so we're going to pad 78, and Brian Hastings from Rye, Colorado has a scratch-built rocket, weighs 96 pounds, going to fly on a research motor, an N2900, 12,000 Newton seconds, 4-second burn. It's a sugar motor, sorbitol. What do you need to know? It's an 8-inch Goblin. Hastings in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. I see smoke and fire. I think I can. That's gorgeous.
I did not realize I could get that much power out of it.
Behind Al Glore or Kevin Trojanowski or Lance Lichtyke, somebody that's bigger than you, to not me, and keep you safe. Thanks for cooperating. Okay, we're clear to take off. Bob, you ready to fly? Let's do this. Going up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, get it. Smoke and fire. Now watch this.
It's coming right over us, so if this don't work, we're doing it.
Oh, nice. We know where both of them go.
It's arcing over. We've got an event.
That is so cool.
And I believe it's got dual chutes.
Because there's
Next chute's going to be at 600 feet.
no separation.
Let's watch this.
You must have cans on the sides or something.
That's slick. There's no.
So the rocket holds together and it deploys out its rear end. I think that's interesting. There's a lot of things I want to say I better not.
Like, that's just such a smooth slide. Jerk up.
I might have to try that. I don't know how you'd use a motor.
It's still flying. Still flying.
Waiting for a shoot.
Go in and
Yep. Cool.
I'm going to try. I could 3D print that. Make some kind of the other.
Nice. There we go. How about that? All held together. That's cool. And if I'm not mistaken, these kits are going to be available for sale. Bob gets a $100 cut of all the sales. Is that right? 100, yeah. So, nice job.
That is cool. They're landing right back on the pad.
We're going to resume flying. Going to pad 31. Ronnie Merrick.